Ever wonder what magic makes bread rise, yogurt tangy, or beer bubbly? It's all chemistry in action, something called fermentation. Fermentation is a biochemical process in which microorganisms, like yeast or bacteria, convert sugars and other organic compounds into simpler molecules, often producing energy for themselves, and substances like alcohol, acids, or gases as byproducts. Fermentation happens when tiny microbes, like yeast or bacteria, eat sugar. But here's the twist, they do it without oxygen. That's why it's called an anaerobic process. Let's start with yeast. It gobbles up sugar like glucose and breaks it into ethanol and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is what makes bread dough rise. And ethanol, well, that's your alcohol in beer and wine. Here's the chemical formula. Don't worry, it's simple. Glucose turns into 2-ethanol, 2 carbon dioxide, and tiny energy. That tiny energy is ATP, which the yeast uses to live and multiply. Now, for lactic acid fermentation, this is what makes yogurt, sourdough, and kimchi tangy. Sugar again breaks down, but this time it forms lactic acid instead of alcohol. That's the sour taste you love. Both types of fermentation have one thing in common. They regenerate NADMIs, which keeps the sugar-eating process going. Basically, it's tiny microbes running a sugar-powered factory. So next time you enjoy a slice of bread, a sip of wine, or a spoon of yogurt, remember it's all delicious chemistry at work.